Now, an 8 on Your Side investigation. All talk, no action. We've been asking the state's top doctor the same question for months.
People are dying, so why not put a sign up to let people know about this at the beach?
But we just keep getting the same worn-out answer.
Would you consider putting a sign up?
We are going to continue to work with our communities.
And it's not really an answer at all.
Now keep in mind, this bacteria has killed 11 people in Florida waters. So why is the state not doing more to warn beachgoers?
The Surgeon General was in Pinellas County this week. He didn't want to talk about Vibrio, but 8 on Your Side investigator Shannon Benkin asked him anyway. Shannon, so many of our viewers want to know, why not the warning signs?
That's right, and it sounds simple enough, but state officials won't even acknowledge the question when I ask. But that won't stop us from holding them accountable.
So we have amazing beaches.
Florida's Surgeon General sounds more like the tourism director than the state's head doctor.
We obviously encourage people to wear sunscreen and keep covered, particularly the head, to bring plenty of water, and to be very mindful of the conditions that exist.
But there's one condition, an infection from the deadly Vibrio vulnificus bacteria, that Dr. John Armstrong does not want to discuss. An 8 on Your Side investigation found 26 cases and 11 deaths so far this year, but not one sign to warn visitors that something as minor as a scratch could lead to death. Is your department doing enough to inform people of the risk?
We continue to share important messages across communities in Florida.
Armstrong avoided 8 on Your Side for months, then gave us wishy-washy answers on the phone. So we tracked him down in Pinellas County, urging the public to enhance their health by going to the beach. I didn't hear any mention of Vibrio, though.
And their communities.
No mention of Vibrio.
We are constantly working to ensure that the people of Florida are aware.
How? He points to the state website. No signs where visitors may actually see the warning, and every time we ask why not, people are dying, so why not put a sign up to let people know about this at the beach? We get the same tired answer. Would you consider putting a sign up?
We are going to continue to work with our communities to ensure that the people living in those communities and the visitors are aware of risks, and that we encourage people who live in our communities, Florida's children, adults, and families, and our visitors to make healthy choices.
No sign.
To make healthy choices.
No sign.
Hey, come on, but you guys standing
So
invitation to
I
come
want to
with
thank
us.
you for your interest.
We have not lost interest in this story. As long as Floridians are dying, we will keep asking, why won't the state just post signs to warn people about this deadly bacteria?
You've talked to a lot of people. Are they saying they want signs, these beachgoers?
Overwhelmingly, yes, people want to know. And to be fair, this is an extremely rare disease, but if you catch it, you have a 50% chance of dying. So it's worth just letting people know. A lot of the people I talked to found out after they were in the water that they were high risk, and they were upset that they didn't have the warning.
And I think just straight answers from the state's top doctor would be appreciated.
Yes, it would.
All right.
Yep.
Thanks, Shannon.